For the next assignment, you are going to read about any current event of your choice and write a paragraph about it using 8 of the academic vocabulary words for social studies. Choose an article of your choice, any topic that you would like. It may or may not be political or historical. Even though the words may seem to lend themselves to historical or political events, you can find ways to use the academic vocabulary for social studies in many different topic settings. For our example, I chose an article about Super Bowl 56. Before you read your article, be sure to go over the vocabulary words so you have an idea of what you're looking for and ways to use them when you write your summary. It's a good idea to keep that vocabulary in mind and write down the words as you come up with details that you may be able to use in your summary. For my first 2 examples, I used economy and era. I found details to support those that I thought I could put into my summary paragraph. I came up with a few more words and listed the details in addition to help me remember what I can use for my summary as I'm picking the vocabulary words to write in my paragraph. When I took my notes, I put them together and wrote a summary of the article that I read. Super Bowl 56 was played in Los Angeles, and for only the second time in the Super Bowl era, the game featured a home team. The Los Angeles Rams had the majority of fans in their home stadium. The NFL chose a group of performers for the halftime show that represented the Los Angeles culture. There was always a lot of money surrounding the game. The local economy made over $2 million during the Super Bowl weekend. In addition, with gambling now legal in most states, people have the freedom to make bets from their homes. The NFL is not without controversy. They have campaigned over the last few years to support diversity, not only in the NFL, but in local communities. The activism among players and staff has brought positive changes to the NFL and their communities. This is an example of a summary paragraph that fits all of the categories and is a complete paragraph with a topic sentence, at least 3 supports, and a concluding sentence. In addition, infused throughout the paragraph, I have used 8 of the vocabulary words from the academic vocabulary list for social studies. Another 2 points for your grade will be to list the source. I got this source from ESPN article online, and it was called Super Bowl 56. You can get your source anywhere. It can be a magazine, a newspaper article. You can find it somewhere online. Just make sure to note that somewhere on your page where that source came from. Make sure to look closely at the rubric on the assignment page. You will have points for the paragraph and making sure you have a complete paragraph, including the first sentence indented. You will get points for the 8 words that you use correctly in the paragraph, and also 2 points for citing your source. What article you read, I want to know where the article came from, what the title was, and then I will look at your summary. Now that you've finished listening to this, go on to the next page and you can complete your paragraph.